Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to transfer XRP from Luno to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just switching wallets, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there in no time. First things first, make sure you have both the Luno app and Trust Wallet installed on your device, and that your accounts are verified and funded with XRP. Security is key, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Luno app or website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the XRP wallet from your list of assets. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Send button. It's usually prominent in the wallet section. Click on it to start the process. Step 3. You'll need to enter the recipient's address. Open your Trust Wallet app, go to the XRP wallet, and copy the wallet address. Paste this into the Luno withdrawal form. Don't forget to double-check the address to prevent any errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees displayed. They can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 5. Review all the details one last time, including the amount, address, and fees. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Luno security measures, like 2FA. Step 6. Now, switch over to your Trust Wallet. The XRP should appear in your wallet once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network conditions. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your XRP. Remember, always keep your private keys safe and stay updated with the latest crypto regulations. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.